Okay, you completed ID,
Yeah.
name, remaining things, and text, parcelling text, and export everything.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now, yesterday we saw about the export, like who and all having which tag is having completely all the parameters. But
Mm.
if you go to sometime, the parameters are not available. For example, let me open this one. Okay,
Mm.
in this case, what we can do? Let it be load. Okay. Now, if you are able to see this, okay, I want to create a, I want to read this one. Okay, this text,
Yeah.
create
Create a
profile. Getting my point, right?
Yes. Yes.
Like that. Now, what I can do with this? Okay, if you go and inspect, okay,
Mm-hmm.
see now, if I found this one and copying as the HTML, okay, one second, please.
Mm.
Hello? Anand, still here.
Yeah, one second.
Yeah. Not me. Sorry. Yeah. Let me put my.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now you're able to see, right? In this case, how can I get the export?
Yes.
And there is no ID, there is no name, there is nothing is there. If you're observed, if I
Yes.
go for name, ID, class name also not there.
Mm.
So in this case, how can I get the export? Now there is one more syntax for the observing the text. Okay, slash slash tag name. Okay, of here text method has to be there equal to the text what we need to go for. You getting my point?
Mm. Yep.
Here within single quotes or double quotes text value. Now earlier if it is ID or name or something we are putting at then ID
Mm.
that value we are putting. But instead of now we are putting as a text method. You getting my point? It's a method. Okay, and
Yes.
here at is not required. Getting my
Okay.
point? Now,
Okay.
can you
Yeah.
spell out the above thing? H1,
H1. Create a profile.
H1
Text.
text,
Text of tag
text
H1
equal to either
equal
single
to.
quotes or double quotes.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Now, within this one, just to
Same.
put the create profile.
Okay.
This is the export of for the above one. Hope this is clear
Mm-hmm.
now. The
Yes. Yes.
simple thing is tag name, text, text value. Okay. The same
Yeah.
way we'll put it the same thing here, whether it is matching or not. Getting my point? Then only we
Yes.
can say this is perfect. Now
Okay.
control F slash slash
H1
slash H1
text.
H1 text equal to single quotes, okay, or double quotes, that is our issue, I mean our choice. Now once we completed that, it should show 1 of 1.
Yeah.
Getting my point? Now,
Yes, yes.
now it should highlight. If I click
Yeah.
on enter, the right side as well as the left side, it should enter. Now, what I'm trying to say, I'll copy this one and I'll go to here. Okay, driver dot find element. 1 second, the first time, right? I don't know, very first time it's taken this much.
Sorry.
Driver dot find element by
By
dot
what tag
export.
H1
No,
expert.
export.
Okay, okay,
Within
okay.
this, we are copy pasting.
Okay.
Okay, dot. Now dot here. See, earlier we are getting send keys. We are because and click. The reason we are clicking or we are sending the keys when we are typing something. But in this case, what we have to do, we have to read the data. Getting my point?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
See, read the data for the reading purpose. What we have, like a get text.
Get text. Okay. Dot get text.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now there is one thing we need to understand here: web element. What do you mean by web element? See, this driver dot find element. This part is there, right?
Yes.
Okay, this part is nothing but web element. Whether you are using inside any locator, whether it is a ID, name, class name, or tag name, whatever it may be, the full and full thing is called as the like web element. Getting my point?
Okay.
Now let's say for example, whenever we want to do multiple operations on that web element, what we'll do first, we'll store the web element. Getting my point?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Web element equal to, sorry, here not the equal, the web element. Web element, it's a complete like interface. Okay, now if you observe what we are doing, it's a simple point in the a we are deciding. For that, a equal to 10 we are putting. After that, if I system.out.println, if I put something a, always it will print the 10. You get my point, right?
Yes, yes.
Like what we are doing, instead of 2 steps, okay, if you go for equal to 10,
Yeah.
we can remove this one. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Like point, what we are trying to do, or else instead of this one, some directly we can put print 10. This is also fine, but this is not good, right? No, earlier the same way we are doing everything. Here what we are doing, driver dot find element. This is like web element. This part we are doing operation. Now what I'm going to do now, I'll divide these two into 2 lines. One is web element. What is web element in the sense? Driver dot find element. It will return the web element. Getting my point? After that, element dot, here I can put get text. I can put anything.
Yes.
Comfortably.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry, some bad news morning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, you're able to get something, right? Instead of here, not only get text, we can go for the send keys, or we can go for the like click. We can go for get text. Anything we can use. Now, this method I'm going to use still. Now I'm going to use this one. Getting my point? There is no
Yes, sir.
difference.
Yeah.
Now, both are same. Just observe. Some people see web element. Here we need to import. It's a see if we go ahead and hover that, it's a interface. I hope this is clear.
Yes, yes.
W caps, E caps. Okay.
Yeah.
The not open here, not selenium inside the web element. It's a, it will store one web element. Okay. Now here not only XPath we can use for ID name or any type of locator we can use. Any questions here?
No, all clear. Yeah.
Then we'll go for another thing here. I want to read the text, get text. After reading the text, system.out.println, what I'm going to do now, I want to print the same thing. Either I can go ahead and print like this, getting my point?
Yes.
Or else here this will return the integer or string. This will return the string or reading text. I'm putting like this. Then the same thing I can put like this.
Reading text.
Getting my point?
Yes,
Now, three ways we can write it here completely. Just observe. This is one way. Okay?
Yeah.
And another way is I don't want to read this directly. I can put this one. One second. Directly I can put this one. This is second method. Getting my point?
Yes.
If you're not getting here, this is very minimal things. Okay?
Yeah.
If you're not getting anything, let me know. I'll try to help you to make understand. But these are the minimum basic things what we need to learn. Now, just observe the values. See, here also the same thing. Here also the same thing. Here also the same thing. There is no difference. But you might ask, so which one is preferred? Getting my point? The first one is preferred. The first one is preferred. Okay, if you observe all these things, the output is same. Just whatever we are printing, this is printing. If we want to print one more time, again we have to do the same thing. How many times we need to do that? Infinite. So what I'm trying to say, just will read the value, will store in a string and will print it. Or else you don't want to save it, directly you can print the same value. That is also fine. But the third one, the line number 34, not suggestible. Either you have to go for line number 27 to 29 or 31, 32.
Okay.
Getting my point? It's a simple thing. Now, let me run it. Commenting this one. Getting my point? Either we can go for it or not all. Running. Let it be run. Now yesterday I told you, right, the problem.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Now create profile, something it is displaying.
Hmm. Hmm.
Here instead of middle name, last name we have to put, then it should work. Okay, if this is wrong, then it will say some error message. As of now, we'll see that. Okay. Now
Okay.
hope this is clear.
Yes, yes, I'm clear.
Now, at any case, you are able to click, you are able to get text. I mean, you are able to read. We'll see how we need to validate whether the text is correct or not. We'll see later. But
Okay.
you are able to read the value.
Hmm.
Getting my point? You are able to read
Yes.
the value. You are able to click on any item and you are able to type something as of now.
Hmm.
Now, these are the minimum 3 things. Now, what we can do, let's say for example, now I want to verify or I want to read this text.
Okay.
Getting my point? I want
Yes,
to
yes.
read this text. I want to read this text. This is small. We can put, see, this is small. I can able to read. This is somewhat small. I
Yeah.
can read it. This is also somewhat small. But it's look like
Hmm.
a paragraph or more than 2 lines
Yes.
or 1 line. It's a big one. How
Hmm.
can I do that? Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now, for that one, there is one thing called, okay, / tag name, okay, tag name. This is starting point, this is ending point. Contains. What is that?
Contains.
Contains. DAINS. Contains and text method, comma, here text value. Either it is a single quotes or double quotes. Always no need to tell that word, okay? And we need to close this one. Getting my point? This is one more syntax.
Okay.
Now as per this value, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, copy. Now, how much? This is very much big. Getting my point? Now, I want to find the XPath for this one. Tell me this syntax, the line number 33.
Yeah.
/ tag name. Yeah, what is the
Text.
tag name here?
Div.
Getting my point?
We have a class name as well. With that, get that one?
No. Class name we'll see later. We'll see later.
Okay.
I mean, I'm talking about as of now
Okay.
text value. Okay.
Okay.
If this not work out, we'll go over this. Either
Okay.
way it should. Okay. I mean, I'm talking about the different ways whether we can go
Okay.
ahead or not.
Okay.
See now contains. Okay. After contains, there is this
Text.
one method. Okay. Close this one first. Inside this text.
Text.
Okay.
Comma.
Comma, not equal. Not
Yeah.
the equal.
Comma.
Just remember. I failed here putting equal number of times, not the comma.
Okay.
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 Even that's not right. I mean, everything is we are following as the like equal. Why can't we put here equal? That is what even I got many times doubt and I failed.
True. Yes.
Getting my point? Now
Yes.
this is called the XPath. Means if the XPath, the text is contains more than one line or 2 lines, that is the kind of a paragraph. How we can identify XPath? This is the one. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, let me copy paste the same thing
Hmm.
here, whether it is matching or not. It's matching.
Hmm.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
If I put equal instead of comma, what will happen? It doesn't match.
Hmm.
0 0 means something you are missing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hundreds of times I forget this word and I put equal and felt like anything. And when I was in a learning stage.
Hmm.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now, what we need to understand here, always put a comma,
Come.
not the equal. That we need to remember. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Now, this is one of the possible way. I cannot say this is the final. This is one of the possible way.
Hmm.
Now, I'll go with that. Is there any other possibilities are there?
Hmm.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now, other possibility in the sense, this is the class name. Getting my point? Now, / div at class name equal to something.
Hmm.
Still, am I able to get that?
Yes.
Here, what are the possible ways? Either I can go for the class name, or even though XID,
Yeah.
even though XPath, what I'm doing, either I will go for class name, or I will go for the text, or I will go for
Hmm.
the normal text contain. Instead of contains, I will put like this. If it will become too healthy, I mean too lengthy. What I'm trying to do to close that one, we are going for the contains. Getting
Hmm.
my point?
Okay, okay. Hmm.
Now, how many ways we are able to do that? Now we learned contains as well as the full text. Full text in the sense
Yeah.
normal text method we are following. If it is
Hmm.
a normal thing, it is a small contains. It will
Hmm.
say like it will map it one of one.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Again, if you are putting this contains, right? Let's say for example, here below line, only one line is there. We are closely monitoring COVID-19, like that one thing is there. Then it will
Hmm.
be duplicate. The extra one character we have to give to match that. Hope this is clear.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, you're getting my point, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, here what we are trying to do, imagination completed. Now all things we are able to identify through XPath.
Hmm.
Either you go for driver.id or driver.name or driver.tag name, driver.find element.
And then, yeah.
By
Hmm.
dot, find after find element, by dot id, by dot name, by dot XPath, like that. Link text, CSS selector, everything we can use. Till now we covered 7 items. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now there is one scenario called, how can, let's say for example, the middle name having everything, but the first name is nothing, have anything. Getting my point? I'm assuming that, and getting my point? This
Yeah.
is the web page. Inside
Hmm.
this web page, I'm having everything. The middle name is having all the parameters, but the first name doesn't have any parameter.
Okay.
Hope this is clear. Now
Yeah, yeah.
I want to find the extent of the first name. Hope
Mm-hmm.
this is clear.
Yeah.
Now here two things which we need to understand. Either the above value can be used or below value can be used.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say, let's say for
Hmm.
example, there is numbers from 1 to 10.
Hmm.
I don't have any option to find the sixth number. Then
Hmm.
what you will do? You will call, by using seventh number, you will come to back to sixth. You can find it, or by
From
using
it.
previous number. And the fifth, number 5 will try to find the sixth. I mean, what we are trying to say, anyway, we are going one level up, or we are going to one level down to get the export. It's kind of reference. Getting my point?
Yes.
That is called here. Following is there, sibling is there. Or following is there, preceding is there. What is that?
Okay.
Following and preceding. Sibling also is there. Sibling, no need to use much. Following.
Okay.
Okay, following. Now, what I'm trying to say, let me found an X path, okay, by using middle name to first name. Is there any possibility? Okay, now inspect, go and inspect this one and check input is this one. If you go to this one, this is one div. Okay, and then if you go to this one, this is another div. Below this div only we have many divs. This is one div and this is one. Now I want to found the X path till this div, then I will navigate to this one by using following a sibling or following or preceding. The same way, if I go for the find the X path of this one, then I will come to this one as this one. I mean, one level up or one level down, we are able to find the X. That is called preceding. Means I'll found one thing, then below that I'll go that, or else I found one thing, above I can find it. That is called following and preceding. Okay, now let me found an X path for this one. Here, what is the priority one?
ID. /
okay, input at ID equal to single quotes and the single quotes close. Now we are good.
Yeah.
Now see how many levels up is there here that to come as the div. 1, 2, 3. Now what I put / dot I put dot. One level up it will go. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now it's pointing to span. / dot I put. Now it's went to div.
Other level. Okay.
/ dot. If I put now the div is K. Now this is one complete div. Now what I can put, if I put / dot, it will went everything. That is wrong. Getting my point?
Okay. Yes.
Now I don't want to go to that situation. Now till now it is clear. Now what I want to do now. Okay, this is bit panic and don't bother about that. You will get, I mean, see, once we put dot / see / dot, it will go one level up. / dot, it will go. How many levels you want? Here it's highlighting the left side.
Yes.
If you put dot one more time, it's went like anything. That is not good. Getting my point? Now again, if we come down and put div, it is not coming. One of the divs are coming. Now second div I put. Now just observe that we are able to find the X path of the first one.
Okay.
Now, but this is not always good. Getting my point? This is not always. So what we are going to do, see here, up to this is clear. Then one thing called following. What is following or sibling? Or let me open. I'll give one task to you to do this here. Okay, I'll share this. Okay, like X path XPath in Selenium tutorial. Okay. See W3 school, this is not good. Okay, tutorial point, Guru 99, this is good. And tools here something has to be, that is not okay. Instead of that, XPath tutorial, XPath Selenium. I put like this. Okay, here people are explaining like anything. Getting my point? Many types are there. Now, here if you observe here, the that tutorial has designed for beginners to help them concept. What I'm trying to say, whenever we are trying to read any kind of thing, that we need to understand to whom they designed the course. Getting my point?
Okay.
Now, just click on. See, now you have to understand these things, but we already covered. Don't want to read all these things.
Okay.
Okay. See how the theoretical part they're giving, right? Root, element, text, attribute, everything again they're explaining. Single dot, everything. But see, always we have to better to go for the double slash. That is nothing but the relative export. Okay, single slash in the sense it's kind of like a absolute expert that is not suggestible to go. Now they're looking on the table or something like that. They're explaining. Till now, we didn't get any actual point what we are looking. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Next page. We'll see that. Or else I'll close this one. This is not. See, whatever the explaining things are there, this is too worst thing. Here, if we go ahead and see here, relative expert. This is what we required. But still they're explaining in other words. I'm not sure why. Okay, hence I'm closing this one. Getting my point? Now here, complete understanding they're given. See, export equal to tag name at attribute or value. Whatever the things we discussed, everything it is matching for us.
Yeah.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now the same, it is kind of absolute export or relative export.
Yeah.
Okay, again they're giving many things. See, this is absolute export. HTML slash body slash this I already told you. Something is breaking in between, it won't work out. Hence, we are not going for that. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now, relative export in the sense double slash. This is one. Okay, just to go and read everything, you will get. See, the star is there, right? Sorry. The star is there, right? The star in the sense they copy pasted.
Yeah,
Yesterday I showed
you.
you, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this one is the plain thing. Then, if you go to the contains, here contains type of subject. What we can do that in general, contains where we went for the only text. At type in the sense ID we can use, name we can use, but ID, name, tag name, and remaining things are type should be like very short. Nothing will be like it's contain many things. Hence, it is name equal to button. Instead of contains, why can't we go and do that like a div or a div like at ID equal to button something, or at ID at name equal to button? We can use it, right? So while telling this, the contains we are using most probably for the text, not for the other thing, because other terms like ID, name, class name, these are very, very small. Always we don't bother about. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now see contains button. Contains is not required for the normal things. Better to go for always contains for the like a method here, right? Contains text here, something like that. Here always they're putting as the star. That is not acceptable. Always we have to go and give the exact tag name.
Yeah. Yes.
Starts with function, ends with function is there. See, if we till now we covered using and. See, this up to this part we are good. After that, if you observe here, using and or.
Operator. Yes.
See, now I think what happens is in between or point will give. This is not good. And the point will give. This is not good. In between the X path, whatever the X path we are putting, and they are putting or they are putting, and they are merging two X paths within a single thing. That is not suggestible. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
If you wanna read it, you can read it here. Okay. The same thing if you go and do that, and they are giving.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, here start with function is there, at the same time ends with the function also is there. Here only starts with. Okay, this is also not required for us. Everything what I'm trying to say, instead of going with this one, better to go for ID or better to go for text. Everything will be very clear, right?
Okay.
Sometimes. Here, normal ID you can go for text or else the access method, something is there. Now, whatever the topics we covered till now, everything will be covered above. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you go now following expert access following, this is the syntax for the follow. Getting my point? But while writing this following, what we need to understand, these two things has to be under the same root node. Means if you go ahead and check that, see this input is there and this input is there, but these two are not at the same root. Between that span is there, here div is there, inside this div only we have one more div. Getting my point?
Yeah.
These two are not in the same root. Hence, I am finding this X path here and traversing, see traverse. You are getting my point, right? Traversing from low to high. Then what I can put here, if I go and check this following / following, I can put. Getting my point? Here double slash following colon. This is called scope resolution operator. Okay, this one. After that, what is the tag name here? Which tag you want to verify? This one, div I can put. See here now, this div is coming. Within this div, if I put a div, so 165 divs are there. Getting my point?
Yeah.
How can I do that? It's too difficult to get it, right? 165 divs. So what I'm trying to say, instead of following this following and sibling and thing, directly now see, I have one root node. Okay, if I put one more time / double time, it's went through main root. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now / if I put div, what will happen? How many divs are there within this div? 3 divs are there. Just observe 1, 2, 3. Now what I can put here, I can give as the array. We require the second one. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now array I'm putting as the second. Now 1 of 1 it's came. Getting my point?
Mm.
One of one scheme. Within this div, if you expand this div, okay, span is there. Within the span only I have input. Getting my point? Slash
Yes.
span plus input. Now it's came to input. Means without following sibling also, without following or without preceding also, we are able to get the element. Hope this is clear. Within a simple box, you are finding something very simple, Omar. Okay. See, if you found something, if you put dot slash dot dot, it will go one step up. If you put slash, it will come down one step. Getting my point? If you're not getting, I'll show you. See here, dot slash, here slash dot dot. If you put from here to, it will go to here. If you put one more time, it will go here, one level up. If you put a slash, it will come down one step within the same root node. That we need to understand.
Okay.
If we are not getting anything, let me know here. It's a simple things what we need to understand. Okay?
Yeah.
Today's topic is bit complex while understanding, but once you understand everything, this is a very simple topic.
Can you explain me again then?
Yeah. You can see. Now I cleared. What I'm going to do now, I want to find an XPath for this input. But I'm assuming I don't have any ID, I don't have any name, something else. Any opportunity I don't have. Though if I have something, if I'm trying to do that, it's getting duplicate. There may be a chance. Either two ways. Getting my point? Whether duplicates are coming, so hence I'm not able to use the properties. What are the properties are having name? First name. Or the first name doesn't have any properties. In this case, what we can do? We can go for the following sibling or following preceding. Okay? By using this one. But whenever you are going for the following or preceding, these two should be under the same root nodes. If you observe, these are the two different nodes. Here, see, this is one input under one div, and this is another thing which is having another div node. So here, not possible to give directly following and preceding. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Hence, what I'm going to do now, simple, I'll get the XPath of this one. Can you spell out how to find the XPath of middle name? Slash input
open brace @ID equal middle name.
See, if something is right, click this one. Directly it will navigate. I will just copy ID middle name. Now it's clear. Now I want to find the XPath of this one. Before that, how many levels I need to cross it? Below, above, 1, 2, 3 levels I need to cross it. Then I'll reach this one. How to cross the level up, not the down?
Okay. Slash dot dot.
One step up. You are able to see, right? Span, it's highlighting. Now slash dot dot. It went second level. Slash dot dot. Dot level.
Yes.
Now it's there. Now if I put one more time, it went a whole complete. Now if you observe, this complete div is there. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Within this, how many divs are there? 3 divs are there if you observe. Okay? Slash. How many divs are there? 1, 2, 3 divs. These are called as they are putting all these 3 into single div. If you observe div 1, div 2, div 3. Getting my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Now I want to go for the second div. Here I
Okay.
want to pass it as the array as the second div. It's
Okay.
possible, but within this second div, I want to mark it as the, or I want to point to span. Within the span, I have to go for the input. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay. Yes, yes.
Slash
Hmm.
span.
Hmm.
Span its came. Within the
Hmm.
span only, how can I know? See, if I expand this one only, there is, I'm able to see something.
Yes.
Input.
Hmm. Hmm.
Getting my point? It's clear?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
This is how we need to put. Only thing is you need to observe, okay,
Okay. How
how the
many?
things are, how
Um.
many levels up is there, how many levels down is there. If I go one
Hmm.
level up, how can I come back to again the same level down? If
Hmm.
I found one of two of two, three of three like that, how can I go to the respective div? Means we have to pass it as the div number. If
Hmm.
sometimes span will come, if sometimes inputs will come, sometimes table will come, that time whatever the things we need to point, that we need to observe and we need to put it. Hope this is
Okay.
clear.
Yes, yes. In case if you want to come down, how we need to, which slash we have to use for that one? Same thing?
You see the same thing, only thing is, see this is one set to mark. It's see
Okay.
slash dot dot, if you put it will go up. Only
Up.
if you put only slash it will come down, it won't go
Okay,
up.
okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay, but
Hmm.
always whenever we have, see this is the child one. For this one no childs are there.
Yeah.
This is the last. If I put a slash, it won't go anywhere.
Hmm.
Nothing is there.
Hmm.
Come down. But if you expand this one, there is a child. That is called as the input.
Hmm.
Now if I
Okay.
want to go up again, slash dot dot, if I go up, it
Okay.
will go up.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Getting my point, right?
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
see, this is the standpoint where we need to understand here.
Hmm.
Span in the sense it's having child. Hence we are putting slash, it's going to the child. If we have
Hmm.
again in that child also, we have one more child, you can put slash, then it will go child. If nothing is there, then it won't go. Hope this is clear.
Yes, yes. Hmm.
One step down,
Hmm.
slash. One step
Hmm.
up, dot slash slash.
Hmm.
If how many times you want to go up, dot slash
Hmm.
slash slash, you can put a dot slash slash or
Hmm.
like that. If you come
Hmm.
down, only slash.
Yeah. Okay,
It's
okay.
very, very,
Okay.
very, very simple.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, how many things we covered? Okay, till now. Till now. Here, tag name, here, normal text value we covered.
Hmm.
At the same time, text value contains we covered.
Compound. Yeah. Hmm.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
See, not only text here, I can go for ID also. Let me tell you, not only text here contains, if the ID is too big at ID, then here I can put ID value.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
This is called as the type. Here I can go for the text, but initially, usually, we are
Hmm.
going for most 95% or 100% going for the like text, not for the other types. Hope this is
Okay.
clear.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, without using following sibling also, I'm able to find the X path. It's simple. Okay. Then when to use when to use the following and sibling. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I can hear.
Here I'm not following any following. Now what I'm going to do now, let me click on here. It will navigate to the home page, might be. Yes. Okay. 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me click on login. Now just observe. Here also not possible because see 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Many things are there. It's not possible. Okay. Or else, is there anything else? Let me try these two. Whether these two are in the same node or not. Okay. The situation might come at any level. We are not able to suppose predict. No, this is also two different divs.
Okay.
Now, I want to find the X path, this one by using this one, or this one by using this one. How to do that? It's a simple thing. Find the X path, login.
Content.
Okay, how to find the X path for login? Here, this is text. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
H2,
Okay.
X equal to single quotes and single quotes close. Now it's closed. Now one level up.
Yeah.
Slash dot dot.
Slash. Yeah. Again one more.
Now,
okay, it's
if
done.
I go for one more, it's went.
Yeah.
Now this is now login we don't want, sign up we want. Just observe. Now what I have to do? Slash div I am putting. Here two divs will come. The same div what we are entering, we are outering now. Okay. Now two things are there. Now which one we need? Second one.
Div of two.
Yeah, within second one, if you expand this one, how many things are there? Like P is there. Within the P, like A is there. Getting my point?
Yes.
Slash P slash A. Now it's automatically came to the situation of P or something. Second point. But why we are not able to following and sibling in the sense, there is a concept called whenever we have following and sibling, it should be like this. 1 minute. It should be like this. Okay, in the same thing. Then only we are able to find the X path or following. Or else what we can do here also. Instead of this one, if I found X path like this, slash following scope resolution operator input. If I put how many inputs are there here, every input will be mapped. That is the bigger issue for us.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
Now see here, these guys are having only two inputs. This is input. See, this is one input and this is one another input. Hence, they are putting simple input. Getting my point? Here, again, they are passing. If they have more than one, they are passing as the like a array. Now what I will do that something else. How many inputs are there? Many inputs are there, but I don't want to go for input. I want to go for div. Now how many divs are there? 113 divs are there, but I am putting as the first one. Now it's mapped to the first div. Getting my point? In the right side is getting my point. This is following mean we have last one and below that we have to found, then following we have, or if we have this one, then we have to go for the preceding. Now again within this one slash P slash A, then we are moving to the that one what we are looking for. Getting my point, right? This is how we need to
Yeah.
use. Either we can go for the following, or without going for the following also we can go ahead.
Okay.
No one will
Okay.
stop us.
Mm-hmm.
The same way, this is one kind of thing by using following.
Mm.
If that is not the case, if I have this H2, this one sign up I have. See, now this is the anchor link. Now how can I find the export of this anchor link? Here how many ways is there? Either I can
ID.
go for I or
HR.
href or title
Yeah.
or text. Getting my point? How many
Yeah.
types?
4.
Either
Yeah.
class also is there. I can go ahead. Not sure whether it may be duplicate. Okay, hence I'm leaving that. href I can go for. ID I can go for. Getting my point? Route
Yeah.
link also is. Translate also is there. Title also is there. Sign up also is there. If you are not able to find duplicate things, then I can go ahead with all these things. What are the parameters are there? All the parameters or attributes you can use it.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Now, simply I am going for the title. The reason is, till now we are not using title. That's why I am going. Nothing much.
Okay. Okay.
As A, okay, here at title equal to, within single quotes, copy paste the word and do. Now it's one of one. It's K. Now I want to go for slash following or preceding. I want to check that preceding, PRECE or W. I'm not sure. Okay. Now see preceding, PRECE, not W. Okay. Preceding scope resolution operator. Okay. After preceding, see this is the one. Here, how can I put? This is the div or something I am putting. See, before this, once we found this one, right? Before this one, before, how many divs are there? 10 divs are there.
Yes.
Now, whatever the div it is coming, till now it's not there. Now it's the 10th div. Getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
10th. Now 10th div. If I go for 10th div, if I again expand this one in, it's nothing is there in this div.
Yeah.
With this div, we have one more div. So slash div. Still one of one, but in this one also not there. Again, we have to go for one more div.
Yeah.
Within this one also not the correct one. Again, P is there. Slash P.
Yeah.
Here
Yes.
two P values are there. Now we need to expand this one. Which one having? Which one is correct? Now this is also not good. 1 second, please. 1 second, please.
Okay.
Hello. 1 second. చెప్పు
ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Sorry, Uma. Actually, there
No
is a
problem.
death case in my village. Okay, discussions are going on. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Okay, no problem.
Now, this is how we need to found the export. Okay, either we can go for the following, or else we can go for the sibling or preceding. See,
Preceding.
this one, yeah, we don't want to go for any following or preceding. Instead of this one, also we can go for the directly the slashes up and down. I showed you, right, without this.
Yes,
That
yes.
is also. And if you observe here, in between child is there, okay, and ancestors are there. Okay, we
Yes,
don't bother about this ancestor child. Okay, if you want read it, you can read it. Okay, or else you can leave it. Getting my point?
Yeah.
But preceding following is the most important. If you are not able to understand that preceding following also, you can go with that methodology like a slash up or slash down. Okay,
Yeah, slash up. Yeah.
that also it's fine. At any way you have to go it. Now following hyphen sibling, the same concept will come. Okay,
Okay.
all these things. Parent, see, parent, following, sibling, child, everything. But only things is what we need to understand here. Simple concept. Okay, preceding we need to think, following we need to think, contains we need to think. If these three also, if you're not able to understand, simple point up and down.
Okay.
Then we can see ascendant is there, descendant is there, ancestors are there, so many things are there. Okay, but if you read everything at the same time, you will be getting confusion.
Okay. Okay.
Getting my point? So,
yes, yes.
Learn these things. Okay, learn these things as of now. If we are good with this one time, then go ahead and read this kind of things. Then you will get more knowledge.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
And one more thing what we need to understand here. Sign up. Let me go ahead back. 1 second, please.
Mm.
Now, one more step. Go back. It's loading. Oh, it's again changed. Okay, no issue. Let me load another page, okay?
Okay.
If you observe these things, everything will be explained very smoother way, okay? If you want to read it, you can read more things and you will get more ideas, okay? See, and all, I won't supposed to use at all. I won't recommend.
Okay.
That is time wasting. Simple using contain start with also everything using text. We already learned.
Mm.
Using index in the sense this is the thing, array type of thing what we are passing, that is called as the using index. Okay,
Okay. Yeah. Mm.
you can read everything like this. Okay, you will get more knowledge how to analysis, how to do the things and all, access and everything will be covered. Anything else you want to discuss here? Any questions?
No, clear, but I need to do practice with the preceding and
Yeah,
following.
just do practice. Okay, definitely will come up with more questions tomorrow, that I know. Okay, just do this. See, this is only for X path and finding the X path. Once we found the X path, again we have to do set keys or click or get text or something else. Getting my point?
Okay.
But why these many things are there in a sense? At any situation, we should not lose. We should not we are not able to. Some people will tell we are not able to find the X path. No, you should be able to find the X path at any situation. That's why these many things are there for X path alone.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
That you need to understand clearly. Okay, now I'm stopping for the next session because if I go ahead and another topic, it will be difficult to you understand. Okay, whatever the things you can do that, you can complete it. Okay, and I mean tomorrow is Wednesday, right? We started 1 month back exactly for tomorrow. 4 months, 4 weeks. Okay, now let's observe. This is the major thing. Once this is over, then minimal steps we are able to complete within a week. Minimum things will be covered. The next 2 weeks will cover more things. Okay. That is the. Getting my point?
Yes. Yeah.
Now just to go ahead and do practice. If you have any questions and come back, we'll see them. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Then bye.
Thank you. Yeah.